Nos token or nostalgia, new token on Solana ecosystem. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. So today I will share with you this new token, 1 month token, nostalgia or the Nos token. No? So we are here in the CoinGecko. So what you are seeing is the price of this token, 77.5% increase from the 0.002, no? So green, so green meaning increasing. So the market cap of this token, if you if we will check on the Dextol, it's already 4 million. So 4 million, but the 24 reading is 2 million. The total supply is 1 billion. Then Solana ecosystem. So those token can be traded on Mix Global, Jupiter, and Radium. Only three exchanger, so two decentralized and one centralized. But what I want to emphasize in this video is this token is used for the artist, for the art, no? So if we check the website, the white paper of this website, so nostalgia, the concept is simple: preserve nostalgia through culture on chain forever. So my name's Satoshi's mom. I'm an artist who been making nostalgic art since 2024. So after making nostalgic art for a couple years, I've connected with a lot of folks on how it feels to live virtually the same life as kids, no? So meaning those uh, grow during the time that there is no camera, no cell phone, there is no advanced technology, just like now, no? So meaning this is a collection of the old arts, no? So the Nus Coin has the metadata inscribed in the site in containing nostalgia that we all have lived and recollect deeply. So we go deeper to the pictures, no? For example, guitar, it's the this is example of the nostalgia, nostalgia, no? Okay. So the old picture drawing. Every journey begins with a choice. Game Boy Color, no? Oh, so this is what the token all about. Simpler times, meaning this is for arts, the the old arts, no? Visual arts or the fine arts, no? So if you buy this token, you will share this picture or arts, no? Known to people, especially the young generation, no? But always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. But what I really like this token, NOS token, if you will ride in this token, especially this token is up trending. If you will go to the Okay, we are here in the Dixtol. So this is the price of NOS token 0.004. But what can you say is this? Market cap is 4.87 million, but the liquidity is 4.9 million. 999 million supply. The holder is 10,000 holders. Total market cap is 4.90 million. The par volume is 1.99. So if you see this trend is uptrending, so bullish now in this token. What I interested is the activity of the wheel wheels, no? Sample, one wheel buy this NOS token $7,377. Another wheel is buying it 6,670. So 7,403. So what I mean is, if you buy this token, although it's already in mix, but only one centralized exchange. How about if it will listed in different major exchanges like the Binance, the Coinbase? Maybe this price will go higher. No? More wheels buying. No? More wheels buying. No? So if you try, so just buy a little. What I said is invest what you can afford to lose. No? But always remember, research first this token, although it has a utility, but invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so I hope you like my video today. What I'm sharing with you is this token, NOS token, or the nostalgia token. So I hope you will subscribe. I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel, and of course click the notification bell for more videos. Again, research and invest what you can afford to lose. Good day.